So one of the important topics to be covered as part of sound propagation is how do you calculate the velocity of sound using the elastic properties like Young's modulus, which is, and the second, which is the inertial property. Inertial property means something associated with mass. So if you see the formula for velocity of sound, it is under root of y upon density of the material. So if generally you will apply this formula for linear solids, something like a straight linear metal, when you have sound passing through this, the elasticity that gets impacted is the longitudinal one. So therefore you use Young's modulus as the right choice to calculate the velocity. If the velocity of the sound traveling through a solid affects it not just in a longitudinal manner but also in different manners like lateral, shear, or in a way like a bulk stress, the formula changes. But in your course, the velocity of sound, the easiest formula is that it impacts only the longitudinal part of the story, which is a longitudinal strain, and that is why you have Young's modulus. Thank you.